Okay, Joe, you just want to kind of talk about how you started coming to the practice and that?
My previous dentist retired, and we've lived in Hubbard all my life, and we found your name in the phone book.
Good.
And we've been coming to you, probably a good 10, 12 years now.
The kids had to be 6, 7 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my whole family comes.
Yep.
And I have 2 kids, twins, 17. And unfortunately, I'm the guy that has the bad teeth, and they all have the good teeth.
Okay.
But I've had a lot of work done here to the point where we've pretty much replaced or fixed pretty much every tooth in my mouth almost.
Just about, yeah.
Just about.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. And recently I decided I had to have a little partial put in, and we decided that I noticed the way that it changed my appearance, because I was a perfect candidate for braces and should have had them and didn't have them.
Right.
And my front teeth were crooked, or they were all crooked actually. And so we decided to